Hey, it's Laura with your latest tech update. There are lots of great new features in Windows 11, and now some of them are making their way backwards to Windows 10. One of them gives you greater security when you print documents. It saves that desperate run from your computer to the printer when you're printing something sensitive. It's pin-protected printing. You send off the document, but it won't print till you've arrived at the printer and entered your PIN. What a clever idea. Another good feature is Focus Assist. It allows important and time-sensitive notifications to reach you regardless of your Do Not Disturb status. There's no date for when these features will be in Windows 10, but we're hoping in the weeks ahead. That's your tech update. More next week.